Okay, so we've got the template opened up in Photoshop. We need to go over down to the placeholder and double click to open the placement file. Then we need to import our image into there. Resize it quickly, this is just for demonstration purposes. Press return, and then Control and S or Command and S on a Mac. Then back to the template, and we can start making some adjustments. So we need to open the group up light and shadows, click into shadows, and we can start to adjust stuff. We can adjust the opacity. As you see, that changes it quite a bit. Obviously not that extreme, but you can play about with it. There's also a curves layer that affects the shadows that you can also adjust as you see fit. You can reset that and start from the beginning and just play about with the curves settings to get the effect that you require. Obviously, again, if you mess up, you can always hit the reset button on that and start again. Up to the light layer. Again, we can alter the opacity. Play about with that. Change the opacity of the image quite a bit. Again, there's a curves layer that gives you more granularity with that. You can play about with that. As you can see, that alters that. And we also have like colour and hue saturation levels that we can change as well, which is the tab at the bottom. There are some presets within Photoshop that you can pick, and you can alter the hue, the saturation and the lightness to get a variety of different effects. Again, there's plenty of things you can do with that, and there is information online that goes into great detail about it, but this is just an example of showing you the functionality of the template. And again, you can always reset that back to where you started from. So when you're finally done, you can export your finished work to your desktop or wherever you save your file to. And we can just close everything down. When you come back later, you can just reopen the template if you want to put something else in and go through the same process again. We'll just shut that tab.